Hi everyone, Glama here. So I just got done putting my makeup on. I told y'all earlier when I made that moisturizer video that I was going to be putting my makeup on and then asking y'all 1, 2, or 3 questions. And basically it's one question and there's a choice of 3 answers. And so what the question is which backdrop do you like better for my Glam It Up with Glama beauty videos? And so right now we're sitting in or standing in my craft room because I also have a crochet channel. That's my primary channel that I started with like 3 years ago. I have like 120 something thousand subscribers in there. This channel I only have 5,000 subscribers, so let everyone know about my channel and get your family and friends to subscribe. So anyway, back to that later. I wanted to ask you which backdrop you like better. Do you like this room? The walls are painted a pastel pink. This is my craft room, like I said, and I don't have things hung up on the wall yet. There's my mannequin that I put all my crocheted clothes on. So I'm still in the process of finishing the house. As you can see, that doesn't even have a door frame in it yet. That's the hallway. That's my daughter's bedroom. Normally when I'll be filming in here, if this is the choice we decide on, I'll probably have that French door closed and I'll have furniture in here. Right now I just have a futon and stuff. But I'll have a nicer backdrop with maybe candles or something in the background. So this is choice A, my craft room. And so I'm going to also take you into the front room, and that has a white wall, and so that'll be choice B, and then I'll take you into the bedroom, and that'll be choice C. And yeah, so none of the rooms are finished. So, but meanwhile, I still have to keep bringing you videos, right? You still want to keep seeing videos from me, so I'm trying to think of the least worst place to film in right now. And I guess I could move from room to room and do different videos in different rooms periodically, but I need to know which you prefer because I would have to move my vanity, my big huge makeup case, my mirrors, my lighting and everything. So I want to have an actual room that is going to be kind of like my beauty room or something. So I can turn this into my craft/beauty room. Or let's go over to the front room now. Please excuse the house. Like I said, we're in the process of doing renovations. If I could pause this, I would. We're in the kitchen now. And now we're going into the front living room. This room isn't done either. But this room actually has pretty good lighting. Well, right now I look kind of blue. I'm looking at the screen, look kind of blue. But this is the front room, and this would be kind of my backdrop on a normal basis if I filmed in here. So this is choice, what choice? Choice B, the front living room, which is basically going to be my formal living room. This isn't the room we sit and watch TV at or anything, but this is the room where I'm going to be sitting in here reading and stuff and, you know, just relaxing, drinking my coffee in the morning or something. But I could also make this my beauty room. There's a window right here in front. And so I could put my vanity right there with my lighting and stuff. Might not even need lighting in this room because the lighting's pretty good in here. It's kind of, I've got color again, I can see. When I first came into this room, I looked all washed out and very blue. So anyway, let's go and see choice C, which you've already seen this morning when I made that video about my new favorite drugstore moisturizer. But let's go in there and I'll show you what that room looks like. So now that's my living room that we watch movies in and stuff. And so this is where my makeup vanity is right now. It's in this room, right here in front of this window. So this would be choice C, to just leave it here. And this room isn't finished either. Right now, that's my old headboard. I don't have my dresser. We ordered furniture about a month and a half ago, and it keeps getting back ordered. So I'm like, when's it gonna get here? But it should be here soon. It's really pretty. I can't wait to show y'all. It's white, and it has bling all over it. So I'm so excited about it because I love this color that I painted the room. It's a Tiffany blue. And so I just thought with the white soft curtains and white furniture with bling on it, it's going to be so pretty and blingy. So this is choice C. So let me know down below in the comments what choice you would prefer to see my regular videos. And like I said, periodically I'll go in different rooms. I'll even go outside and film sometimes. But what room would you prefer to have most of my tutorials or videos coming from? Alright, I can't wait to hear from y'all. I just can't decide, so I'm gonna leave it up to y'all. Alrighty guys, I love you so much. Bye!